This synth can generate pro-level sounds literally in just one click. No preset browsing, no sound design. Let me show it to you. Most of the producers wasting hours scrolling through presets. I know you are doing it too. And half of the time, nothing fits to the track. So this is Unisynth, an AI-powered synth that generates new sounds, new presets with just one click instantly. And I think this is one of the best usage of AI inside of the music production. This synth has everything you need. It has an AI engine inside of it. You just choose the genre. You just choose the sound you want. You know, the bass, lead, chords, whatever it is. And with just one click, it generates a whole new presets just for you. So this is how it works. You just pick a genre. For example, let's choose big room and progressive house, and you choose a type, you know. Do you want bass, chord, lead, pad, or pluck? Let's choose a lead and just click generate. That's it. And the crazy thing is, every time you generate a preset, it's something new, and probably no one has this exact combination of sounds. So I think that's pretty crazy. I'm gonna make a drop with Unisynth, but before that, just very roughly, I can show you the interface of it. So this is a standard view, and we also got the advanced view. Like you used to see this interface in other wavetable synths, right? You have all the settings in here and even more. This page is the one if you want to dial in and, you know, tweak this preset that's generated by Unisynth. And we got the FX section in here. You can create your own FX chain. You can add new FX. There are tons of FX to add. You know, for example, I can add some, I don't know, tremolo to this sound. So you can customize it how you like it. This is the metrics tab. This is global settings tab. And you can go back to engine. And if you don't want to dial in all these settings, just go back to standard mode. This page is pretty straightforward. You have the glide settings in here, and you got the oscillators, you got envelope and filters, and in the bottom you see the FX section, and this part is macros. Every time you generate a new preset, it also generates you some macros, so you know you can just automate them in the track. So let me just generate a new preset. So that's pretty sick. And if you like to save this preset, just click this icon, dope, big room, lead, let's say 1, and save it. So you can create your own preset banks like this. So let me show you how this works in action. Let's create some, I don't know, techno drop. Now let me just generate a bass for this kick. So I like to have a rolling kind of bass. So let me go to init presets. So maybe I can create something like this. But like maybe these ones can be the upper octave. Okay, let's go choose like techno, or we can go trance. Let's choose bass and let's click generate. So yeah, this gonna work. So let me just route this to mixer, and I'm gonna add a kickstart. As always, if I use only one bass layer, I use bend in kickstart, so my low end will be pumpy. And I put just the second one to get a little bit tighter bass. So this is gonna sound like this. Should we put it like this? Yes. And even as you see, it also generated 4 macros to us too. So we can, you know, change the sound a little bit without dialing into the, you know, advanced step itself. And let's add a plug channel. So let me clone the Unisynth, route it to another channel, just give a sidechain, not too much. So that's gonna be our plug. Maybe I can just go back to init preset again and then just write some pluck melody. Okay, that's good enough. And yeah, let's choose techno, melodic techno, and then let's just pluck. Again, that sounds perfect, so I'm gonna just write techno pluck 1. I don't want to lose these sounds, so I can just use it in my future tracks. And for example, we already saved this preset, so we can experiment on it. You can also have an option to randomize anything in the sound. Not randomize, but ask AI to generate a variation for you, depending on the other parameters in the presets. For example, let's go FX section. So we got delay, reverb, compressor, etc. We can just randomize all the FX chain with this button. Or for example, you like the FX chain, but you don't like, let's say, delay. You can just randomize delay. Not randomize, I just keep saying that. Ask AI to remake it for you. Or you can go back to engine and just reimagine the filter. And also you can just do manually adjust it yourself. Or you can change the wavetables like this. I think this sounds pretty nice. And if you want to go back to the preset, you already saved it, right? And maybe we can add some pads. Let me clone this one, send it to a new channel. Let me copy sidechain. And for the pads, like maybe something like this. I'm gonna go back to the main page. If you don't want to just see this animation, by the way, you can generate it from here as well. I'm gonna keep in techno and I'm gonna choose pad, generate. New one. But I want to see this effect. This one sounds pretty dope. Let me do some low cut. I like to have a longer MIDI, not to re-trigger it again. And it's time to write some leads. Let me clone this one, send it to a new channel. Let me go back to init preset. So maybe something like this, and in the middle I can have like stutter fast notes with an answer. I can use 2 leads. Okay, the vibe is nice. So let's find some sounds for the first lead. Maybe I can again like use a big room lead. Whoa, this is dope. And what about the second one? Again, no big room. This time let's go choose techno. Yeah, let's keep it in techno. Choose lead. Maybe plug or bass, because I like to have like stutter dark leads, dark sounds. Closer. That's nice. And as you see, like, this sounds not even processed, nothing on the chain. Imagine like putting some distortion, EQ, I'm not even processing it much, but you got the point. I like to also add some drums. So guys, as you see, without even knowing sound design, I can get professional sound with just one click. And it's so easy to change the vibe. Do you want to explore a new sound? Just click generate once more. Yeah, I think this fits even better. Also, let me change the lead sound. I like to show you how you can go with a different vibe to a completely another with just one click. Again, let's go big room lead. We got the soul lead this time. Let's go another one. Now this is a little bit fatter, right? So now we got totally different vibe. And also check this one, guys. Before I start shooting this video, I was just digging and exploring how Unisynth works. And I decided to, when I practice on the Unisynth, I decided to make a old school big room drop. And check the result, guys. With just 4 Unisynth, I created this big room drop. If you even know sound design, creating this fill sound takes literally hours. But I just got it with a couple clicks. I just generated a dubstep bass preset and this is what I got. As you see, this is like top quality sounds. There's a limited deal going on right now, so better check the links in the description if you want to check Unisynth by yourself. So for me as a conclusion, this synth is surprisingly good, guys, but it's not magic, You still need some taste. And I think the biggest advantage is speed. Instead of searching a sound that fits to your track for 2 hours, you got something usable literally with just couple clicks. So again, as I said, this is one of the best implementation of AI into the music production. I love AI if it's not try to replace me, but instead of, help me creating better music. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Today that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you very soon. Peace. Bye bye.